Hi, Jeeping with Julia here. Julia. And I got something new for my Jeep. So let's take a look and see what I got from Quadratec. Although their packaging now says Tactic on the label. But I bought the ROVE Rear Cargo Organizer set. So, and let me take one out. So here's what it looks like. They go over the wheel well and they attach with your hardtop attachment points right here with the same stock screw that you would be using. And I just thought they came in handy. They actually feel really nice. They feel nice and thick and sturdy. And I think they're gonna be good for, I don't know, we'll find out what I decide to hold in it. But one thing, all you need to do to install this is a T40 Torx wrench, which you should have in your Jeep little, what is this? Little toolkit that you get for taking your hardtop off. So there is a T40, it's this middle one right here. And the most important thing you will need for this big installation, safety goggles. That's what I'm gonna use, yes. And just like that, I'm done. However, one thing to note, if you have hothead headliners or any other brand of headliner that has the rear window configuration up in there, you will have to drill out your holes a little bit bigger. I had to. I was like, why won't these line up? But they wouldn't line up because the hothead headliner is, you know, 1/4 inch or more thick. I'm not sure how thick, but so the holes wouldn't line up. So, brought out the drill. Yeah, that's what I did. I already had this handy. So, and this is a, what is it? This is a 1/2 inch drill. And that's what I used. I just put it in the hole and made it bigger. Yeah. So it works. So here we go. And I think it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna be able to put stuff in there and have more organized back cargo area. And let me show you what it looks like. Okay, driver's side. They fit really nice. They line up really well with the bottom of the wheel well. Let me get back here. And here's the passenger side. I think there's lots of good storage in there. Got the little spot in the front, bigger, wider spot in the back. And they just, you use your existing hardware on the hard top. And so, you know, I think those are gonna work out really well. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in there yet, but I'm sure I will find something. So that is the ROVE, which stands for Rugged Off-Road Vehicle Equipment Rear Cargo Organizers from Quadratec. One thing I will note is in their instructions, they show you taking out your hardware with your hardtop on. See the white? Here, no hardtop on. So don't pay attention to that part. Just put it on top. I thought that was kind of funny. But anyways, that's how they work. And I think I'm going to like them a lot. And let's see. Other than having to drill the hole bigger, if you have liners on the inside of your windows, otherwise you won't have to do that. They should line up just fine. So easy peasy. Safety goggles are really not necessary. I took them off. That was just for show. If you need safety goggles to take out 4 screws, you might have a screw loose. I don't know. But follow directions if you're one of those kind of people. Otherwise, live adventurously and by your own rules. That's a good way to do it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helps or gives you an idea if you're looking at them. I think they were $40. I actually usually buy directly from Quadratec, but I was ordering something else from Amazon and they had them on there, so I just bought it there. So I combine and order. So here, one more look at them. And there you go. All right. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye. All right, I usually carry 2 of these crates, milk crates, I guess plastic milk crates back here. And I was able to put a lot of the little things that I have in those here. So now I only have to have 1 milk crate back here. And I can set that big first aid kit up if I need more room, or I can lay it down when I don't. But there, I'm happy with that. I got some little things out of the way so they take up less space in the back of the Jeep. All right, happy camper.